This is the April ASOS book. This edit is called Spring Clean Your Makeup Routine. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is this. So this is the April ASOS box. Yeah, let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. Can't get into this box. And if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. 183 subscribers left to go to get to 2,000 subscribers, and when I get to 2,000 I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'll link a video here that's just going to show you what's going to be in my giveaway. The main prize being the Glossy Box 2021 Advent Calendar, which guys, it's amazing. It really is. So if you can, share my channel with your friends and family. That would be absolutely fantastic. And here is the box. So like I say, this is the April ASOS box. This cost me £12 to purchase off their website. So this is not a monthly box that automatically comes out to you every month where you pay for it monthly. This is a box where you have to go on their website, on ASOS, I can't say it, ASOS's website, to physically purchase the box. And these can go very quickly. Unfortunately, this is sold out at the moment. They still have last month's box on sale, so if you'd like to treat yourself to that one, that is an option for you. But let's have a sneak peek. We have the edit card. It's just got a little bit of information on there about the products, and then there is a bit of a sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Quickly back to the edit card. It just says on here the name of this edit, and this edit is called Spring Clean Your Makeup Routine. The first product we have is this. So it just says skin prep isn't complete until you've primed. So start with Smashbox bestseller, the original photo finish primer. Smooth it over your face with your fingers to help you get that red carpet worthy finish. Cool. So yeah, Smashbox do some really gorgeous makeup. I've had a few of their primers, and they've been all right. I'm very picky when it comes to my primers. I like a glowy primer. But yeah, this is the Smooth and Blur primer. And you get 5 mils in here, so it's not a fantastic huge size, but it's enough to sample if you haven't already, to see if you like it or not. The second product we have is this. So it just says here, blush is truly the moment right now. So dab some of your Barry M cheek and lip tint onto the highest points of your cheekbones for a gorgeous lift. Don't forget to pop a bit on the bridge of your nose too. Yeah, I love liquid blushes at the moment. It is closed, but we're gonna open it because I'm gonna use it because I love it. I just put, oh my goodness, that is dark. You can see there what colour it is, but you can truly see how pigmented it is here. Oh my god. So let's just blend it in a bit and see what we've got. I really like it. Look at that, guys. It's like a lovely natural flush. That colour was scary, but not so much like that. Yeah, I'm going to get on well with this. Third product we have is this. It just says ASOS tip. Use your Real Techniques miracle sponge to help you blend like a beauty god. Cool. I love my beauty sponges at the moment. And I think I forever will now. Let's just get it out of here if I can. So that's what it looks like out the box. I am loving the feel of that. It feels like memory foam. You can see, you squeeze it, it leaves an indentation and then it goes back to normal. That's fabulous. So I can only imagine what that's going to be like when it's got water on it. It's going to get really big and it's going to be really squidgy. Yeah, I like it, and I love the colour too. Fourth item we have is this. It just says Sleek's eyeshadow offering is Sunset in a palette. Its mix of golds, peaches, pinks and browns are perfect for everyday wear, or even creating a show-stopping shadow moment. That pigment is the drama in the best way. Yeah, cool. So Sleek is a very affordable makeup brand. I can't wait to see inside. I'm trying to open this nicely, but there's no nice way of doing it. Let's just rip it open. So this is what the palette looks like out the box. And then that is inside the box. So on here, the eyeshadows are numbered. Rather than giving them names, I've just given them numbers. But that is the shades that we have been dealt. Wow. I love it. I'm just going to pick up the shimmery shades, and as far as I can see in here, there is 3 of them. There's this one, and this one. So let's just, oh, feel like velvet. Nice. Very nice. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. For such an affordable palette, them colours are striking. Very nice. Should we try some of the mattes as well? Let's do it. For the mattes, we'll try this one. This one, I don't know, should we go for that red one? Oh wow, yeah, I'm really liking them. Look how pigmented those mattes are, man. Oh, very nice. The 5th item we have in the box is this. It just says, after that, Urban Decay's Lash Freak Mascara will add even more spice to those mesmerizing eyes. Oh my god. Yeah, cool. I love a mascara. I don't think I've had an Urban Decay mascara before, or have I? My memory's disgusting. I've got no idea. But that's what the mascara looks like out of the box. So this is like a deluxe size. Oh my god, that's really weird. So look at that. So here, that green bit is totally smooth. We have a little tiny bristles here on that end. So I suppose they could be for your bottom lashes. And then we have like a comb bit here. Like a comb there and a comb there. There's like 2. Can you see? Because I'm terrible at describing. Oh, I'm really intrigued to use that. Definitely right name for it, Lash Freak Mascara, because that definitely is freaky and I can't wait to try it. 6th and final item in the box is this. It just says, and finally, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lipstick is all about nourishing your pout and elevating the look at the same time. True icon behaviour. So yeah, we have a little mini Pillow Talk lipstick, and oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. I actually have a full size of this. I was very lucky, a subscriber gave it to me, and I absolutely love it. It's just so nice. And yeah, this is the little mini one. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. I'm gonna pop it on my lips now. I haven't got anything on my lips, so 2 minutes and we'll have a little try. There we go, that is what it looks like. I love it, it's so cute. Feels really nice on the lips, really rich, really creamy. Yeah, really like it. This is the April ASOS box, Spring Clean Your Makeup Routine. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is absolutely fantastic for £12. Such a great price for the products that you get in here. So yes, the primer is a very small size, but it is Smashbox and they're a really good good brand. We do have a full size eyeshadow palette in here too. Yes, it is sleek, very affordable, but guys, I can't, them colour payoffs, the pigment, amazing, absolutely amazing. The beauty sponge, it feels so good. The liquid blush, I'm so excited to use that. Like I say, I'm so into liquid blushes at the moment. The mascara and the lipstick. The brands themselves, Urban Decay and Charlotte Tilbury, get a massive thumbs up, and that mascara brush looks so freaky. And yeah, the lipstick is so cute. Yeah, I love this box. I can't wait to see what comes out in next month's box. So yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.